If you've ever missed the perfect shot because you were busy fumbling with a thumbscrew, twisting your wrist into a pretzel, and praying you didn't drop your camera, welcome to my life. For years, us content creators have been dealing with the two-finger struggle. You know the one. Lining up the little plastic teeth, finding the screw, and cranking it down until your fingers hurt. It's archaic, but recently, I found a better way. Enter the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 ecosystem. Now, full disclosure here, I didn't find these first. My daughter, Sierra, actually bought these for me as a gift, and honestly, I liked them so much, I immediately went to Amazon and bought 2 more sets. So, at the moment, I'm actually rocking 3 full sets of these guys. So what we're doing here isn't just a magnet. It's what the nerds call a magnetic mechanical hybrid. Basically, magnets snap it into place so you don't have to look, and a bayonet lock keeps it from flying off when I'm running or whatever I'm doing, right? And here's the best part. These guys are cheap, like 10 bucks a set on Amazon cheap. So you'll get a pretty solid piece of kit for just a Hamilton. Okay, so you get the male mount, which is the part that attaches to your camera. Then you get the female receivers. So you got one with a standard 1/4-inch thread for your tripods and things like that. And the standard thumb screw adapters for everything else. You get 2 of those. It's basically converting your existing gear into a quick release army, which is amazing. I've always said that Ulanzi makes pretty solid gear, functional, no nonsense, and these are definitely no exception. They are made of ABS plastic. I've actually been testing these things out in all kinds of different ways over the last few weeks, and the difference is just night and day. I can go from a tripod to a chest mount in literally 3 seconds. No screws, no swearing, just click and go. It's that simple. So, if you are still twisting thumb screws in 2026, do yourself a favor and upgrade. Your fingers and your sanity will thank you greatly. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you everybody for watching. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's the best way to support content creators like myself. Until next time, everybody, take care.